Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing some of the most important current affairs of the topic awards. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. Hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So let's start. The first and the most important topic of this video is related to Mahatma Gandhi, and he became the first person or the first Indian to get the US Congressional Gold Medal. I repeat, who is the person who posthumously received the first US Congressional Gold Medal from India? He is Mahatma Gandhi and he received it posthumously. That means recently he was awarded. That means after his death he was awarded this with this Congressional Gold Medal. If we talk about the Congressional Gold Medal, who gives this? It is given by United States of America and it is the highest civilian award in the United States. Another question that can be framed is which is the highest civilian award in the United States? It is your Bharat Ratna. But what if I ask you what is the highest civilian award in India? It is Bharat Ratna. All right. Then Mahatma Gandhi is the first Indian to posthumously receive the Congressional Gold Medal for his immense contribution to promote peace and non-violence. The Congressional Gold Medal is the highest civilian award in the United States. If we talk about this award, US Congress has commissioned gold medals as its highest expression of national appreciation for distinguished achievements and contributions. The first recipient of the medal were participants of the American Revolution and the War of 1812 and the Mexican War between 1846 to 1848. All right. Coming back, important thing that you need to remember is Mahatma Gandhi posthumously received the US Congressional Gold Medal, which is the highest civilian medal of US, and he is the first Indian to receive this US Congressional Gold Medal. Moving on. Next, we'll be talking about Sahitya Academy Awards. These Sahitya Academy Awards are given in the field of, first of all, tell me, these are important. Alright, these Sahitya Academy Awards are basically in the field of literature. First thing, literature. If I ask you one more question similarly, Pulitzer Prize. Pulitzer Prize. This award is given in the field of what? Recently, if you remember, a journalist in Afghanistan was killed by the Talibanis. So he was awarded with he was also a recipient of Pulitzer Prize. So Pulitzer Prize is given in the field of journalism. All right. Then one more, yes, Durand Cup. This cup is given in the field of sports, and in which sport? It is given in football. All right. Moving on. If we look at who was the recipient of this award, the Sahitya Academy has announced the winners of the Sahitya Academy Awards 2024 Odia and Malayalam. Yashodhara Mishra and Om Cherry N.N. Pillai have been declared as the winners of the 2020 Sahitya Academy Award for Odia and Malayalam respectively. Yashodhara Mishra has been awarded for her book titled Samudrakula Ghara, and Om Cherry N. Pillai has been awarded for his memoir titled Akashmikam Om Chirut Om Kuripukul. Alright, just remember the name of the people who were the recipient of this award: Yashodhara Mishra and Om Cherry and Pillai, sir. Next, if we talk about Yashodhara Mishra, she is an author, poet, academician, and has more than 15 collection of the short stories, novels, poems, translated work to her credit. She is the first woman to be the editor of Indian Literature, a literary journal published by Sahitya Academy Awards. If we talk about Om Cherry N. Pillai sir, he is a renowned novelist and a playwright and has contributed to the Malayalam literature and the modern Malayalam theatre movement. Can be asked, Om Cherry N. Pillai, who has been honored with Sahitya Academy Award, is related to which language, or has written novels and more poems in which language? He has written in Malayalam. Alright, Malayalam. Next, we'll be talking about Golden Peacock National Training Award for the year 2021. I repeat, Golden Peacock National Training Award for the year 2021 was won by whom? It was won by Sci Life Sciences. What is this about? Let's look at it first. These are the annual awards for corporate excellence in India organized under the Institute of Directors India. I repeat, these Golden Peacock Awards are the awards for the corporate excellence in India. Alright, and these are managed under Institute of Directors in India. Then if we talk about who won this award, it was won by Sci Life Sciences. Sci Life Sciences, located in Hyderabad, Telangana, has won the Golden Peacock National Training Award for the year 2021 in the pharmaceutical category. If it is asked, in which category did the Sci Life Sciences Limited won the Golden Peacock National Training Award? It was your pharmaceutical category. This is the second consecutive Golden Peacock Award for the company, following the Golden Peacock National Quality Award in the year 2020 also. Next, we'll be talking about two persons, as you can see here. First is Jagdish Bhagwati, as you can see him in the picture, and C. Rangarajanji, as you can see below in the second picture. They have been conferred with the inaugural of Professor C.R. Rao Sanitary Golden Medal. What is this medal? First of all, let's look at it. This award is presented once in 2 years by TIES to an Indian or an Indian origin scholar for their lifetime contribution to the fields of theoretical and applied aspects of quantitative economics and official statistics. Basically, remember, in the field of economics, this award is presented. And what is TIES? TIES is your the Indian Econometric Society Trust has been awarding this awards for the economists. All right. And who are the economists who received this? Professor C.R. Rao Sanitary Golden Medal for the year. This year it was won by Jagdish Bhagwati and C. Rangarajan ji. Alright, if we talk about Jagdish Bhagwati, he is a university professor of economics, law and international relations and Columbia University and director of the Raj Center on Indian Economic Policies. If we talk about him, he received Padma Vibhushan Award in the year 2000 and Lifetime Achievement Award by the Indian Chamber of Commerce in 2004. Then if we talk about C. Rangarajan, he is the former chairman of Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister and the former governor of the RBI. Alright, so two person who received this Professor C.R. Rao Sanitary Gold Medal Award, and this award is given in the field of economics. And who won this award? It was won by Jagdish Bhagwati sir and C. Rangarajan sir, as you can see them in the picture. Next, we'll be talking about an Indian origin entrepreneur who lives in Canada. He has been honored with the Canada's Order of British Columbia Award. He is Ajay Dilavri. As you can see, Ajay Dilavri has been honored with the Canada's highest prestigious award, that is Order of British Columbia Award. He is Ajay Dilavri. Ajay Dilavri was one of the 16 recipients amongst whom he was given this Order of British Columbia Award. Dilavri Group is the largest automotive group in Canada that was founded by Ajay along with his brothers. If we talk about the Order of British Columbia Award, it represents the highest form of recognition the province can extend to its citizens. It recognizes the person with the greatest distinction and excellence in any field of endeavor benefiting the people of Columbia and beyond. Next we'll be talking about Cyrus Punewala. As you can see him in the picture, he has been named as the recipient of Lokmanya Tilak National Award for the year 2021. I repeat, Cyrus Punewala has been named, or he has been honored with the Lokmanya Tilak National Award for the year 2021. Let's look at it first. Dr. Cyrus Punewala, who is the founder and chairman of Serum Institute of India that is located in Pune, has been selected for Lokmanya Tilak National Award for the year 2021. Punewala will be honored for his work during the COVID-19 pandemic by manufacturing Covishield vaccine and thereby saving many lives. Under his leadership, Covishield vaccines were produced on a large scale at affordable prices in a record period of time. Currently, Serum Institute of India is the world's largest vaccine manufacturer by the number of doses produced and sold globally. If we talk about this Lokmanya Tilak National Award, it is awarded since 1983 by Lokmanya Tilak Trust. This award is given on 1st of August, which is the death anniversary of Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In 2021, due to a pandemic, it will be given on 13th of August. The award includes a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh and a memento. Several prominent personalities from different walks of life were recipients of this award. Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2020 was awarded to Sonam Wangchuk, a renowned education reformist. Alright, so this year here it has been honored to Cyrus Punewala Lokmanya Tilak National Award. Next we'll be talking about Telangana government has won the AI. What is AI? This is your Artificial Intelligence Game Changer Award. Question will be asked, which state from India has won the Artificial Intelligence Game Changer Award? It was won by the Telangana government. The Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Department of the Government of Telangana has won the AI Game Changer Award for the year 2021 for implementation of the crowd monitoring using AI scheme. The winners of the awards were announced at the Experience AI Summit 2020 that was organized by the National Association of Software and Services Companies, that is your NASSCOM. Next we'll be talking about IFFM, that is your Indian Film Festival of Melbourne. Recently, IFFM has announced the winners of the 12th edition of the IFFM Awards over a virtual platform. Alright, then if we talk about the best performance male, it was won by Surya Shivakumar. Best performance female was won by Vidya Balan. Best director Anurag Basu. And if we talk about Surai Putru has won the best feature film award also. These are some of the data that you should know, can be asked in your exam. Next Next, who became the youngest climber to reach the summit of K2, or who is the youngest climber to climb the K2 mountain? He is a 19-year-old Pakistani climber. His name is Shehroz Kashif, who is 19-year-old from Lahore, Pakistan, became the youngest person in the world to reach the summit of K2, which is about 8,611 meters tall in Karakoram range on the border of Pakistan and China. In May 2021, Kashif became the youngest Pakistani to scale Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. Next we'll be talking about our President Ramnath Kovind sir has presented National Florence Nightingale Award. What is this National Florence Nightingale Award? This award is given to the nurses to respect the duty they are doing for the social, or to respect for the duty they are providing to the public during this COVID-19. To honor them, this National Florence Nightingale Award is given. Alright, and basically this award is given to the nurses only in memory of Florence Nightingale. Alright, then this year you need to know that 51 nurses were awarded with this National Florence Nightingale Award. Next we'll be talking about DBS has honored world's best bank for fourth straight year. I repeat, DBS has been honored as the world's best bank for the fourth consecutive year. Who gives this, or who awarded them the best? Let's look at it first. Euromoney, a UK-based financial publication, announced its Global Awards for Excellence 2021 recently, and they have named DBS, the Singapore-based financial service group, as the world's best bank for the year 2021 for the second time in 3 years. Euromoney has also named DBS the world's best digital bank for the year 2021. So, who named it? It was named by Euromoney. DBS became the first bank in the world to hold the both titles concurrently. Which are the two titles? World's Best Bank and the World's Best Digital Bank. And this title has been given to them by whom? By Euromoney. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.